Before you begin, remove the top cover, display bezel, display panel cable, camera module, and camera cable. Removal. Remove the 6 2.5 mm P1 Phillips broadhead screws that secure the display panel hinges to the display enclosure. Gently lift the display panel hinges off of the alignment pins on the display enclosure. Remove the display enclosure. Replacement. Position the display enclosure so that the alignment pins fit into their slots on the display panel hinges. Replace the 6 2.5 mm P1 Phillips broadhead screws to secure the display panel hinges to the display enclosure.